fighting out of the blue corner. He wears the black with the red. His weight 102.8 pounds. He hails from General Santos City. He's local boxer, Raymar Polo. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner, Chumay right. Yesterday he weighs in official 103.8 pounds. He wears the black trunks. This is his professional debut representing the Norte boxing team, the Bar City. Please welcome boxer Jimboy Book. And with the referee is the man in charge of the action, referee Eman Gilesa. The judge is scoring 10-point box system will be Judge Rods Alucina, Judge Ranto Mungkalan, and Judge Fernand Picture II. To fighters at the center of the ring for final instructions.
First round, first round, first bout and first bout.
First bout, we have the fighter wearing black trunks and blue gloves. Fighter boxer Dipulo, wearing also the black trunks, boxer Jimboy Book.
Sulod. Lawas. Plaster.
10 seconds. And the first round.
Tapos champions round, P. Galing P.
Round, Boxer Dipulo against Boxer Book. Second round.
kabayan. Ganda, wow. Ooh.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Tapos na, pe. Congrats.
Okay, that was the
Congrats.
ending of this first bout of this afternoon's boxing action.
Congrats.
And we call the attention to our second bout, Boxer Antipura against Patuwoy. Please prepare.
Talo siya, no?
Talo siya. Ayun, congratulations. Congrats daw. Congrats, coach. Congrats. Oh!
2 minutes out. 29 seconds to the very second round. We have a winner by knockout victory, Boxer Jimbo